Hi guys, this is my first video. I'm Wolfie, and yeah, I'm gonna basically be introducing myself, like in this video. If you're wondering why I'm not doing really a face reveal, well, this book was like, I don't wanna. So you're probably just seeing me with a mask on. I'm 12, and, about a couple of years ago, I became a therian. And I'm material types of wolf. And yeah, favorite music artist is Adam J. And I just love her music. And there's a lot more. This is just kind of introduce myself and stuff. So yeah. Have a nice day, guys. Bye. So fast, I'm feeling the wind pass. I'm hazy, I'm crazy, I'm wild, I'm an animal. Oh no, I'm shifting back to a human again. I hate this, I hate me. Let me be an animal again. Day after day, human or animal, you cannot change me, cause that's who I am. Trapped in a body from something else. Why can't I just be myself? I'm running with my paws, I'm breaking all the laws. When you're an animal, it's super magical. I'm running far ahead, you wanna go to bed. When you're an animal, it's super magical. I'm running with my paws, I'm breaking all the laws. When you're an animal, it's super magical. I'm running far ahead, why wanna go to bed? When you're an animal, it's super magical. Bloodlust, fast paws, howling, sharp claws, pointed teeth for underneath. Everything that's all in